In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Prestashop platform. Whether you're expanding your e-commerce store to cater to new markets or you simply want to change the display language, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Prestashop admin dashboard. This is essentially the control center for managing your online store, where all the configurations and settings are at your fingertips. Once you're on the Prestashop homepage, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings menu is where you can customize many of the basic elements of your website, and it's a great place to familiarize yourself with, as there's so much you can do here. Next, once you're in the Settings area, you'll need to select International from the menu. The International section is where you can adjust language settings, currency, and other region-specific configurations. With International open, you'll want to click on Localization. This is a critical area, especially if your business caters to customers from various countries or regions. It allows you to specify the settings that are relevant to different localities. From the Localization tab, proceed by clicking on Languages. The Languages section provides an overview of all the language options currently available within your Prestashop interface. Whether you're seeking to add a new language or modify existing ones, this is your go-to area. Now, locate and click on Edit next to the language you wish to change. This will allow you to tweak specific settings related to the chosen language. Here, the primary focus would be to adjust the language code or any other relevant settings to suit your preferences. Be sure to enter the correct language code, as this ensures that the language displays properly for your users. After inputting your desired language code, the final step is crucial. Scroll down and click the Save button to apply all your changes. This saves your new language settings, ensuring that your site reflects the changes you made. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language setting on your Prestashop platform. This alteration allows you to reach a broader audience and cater to diverse customer needs, enhancing their shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and updates on optimizing your Prestashop store. Thanks for watching.